Hi, I'm Kat, creator of The Novel Factory, and in this video I'm going to take you through the notes section of the Novel Factory writing software. You can get to the notes section by clicking on the notes item in the main navigation on the left. In order to add a note, you can click the green Add Note button. This will give you the simplest type of text note, and you can select a colour for it as well. And when you've entered the information you wish, you can just click Add. Notes can be moved around completely freely and placed anywhere on the board, and they can also be resized by grabbing the corner. You can edit the note again by clicking on the Edit button, and you can delete the note as well. If you have a link to add, then you can do that. Again, you can choose a color, add the link URL, add a caption, and then click Add, and that will add the link note for you. You can add an image as a note, choose a color, browse to the appropriate image, and you can put a caption on it as well. Click Add to add the image note. And finally, you can add a checklist. Give it a color, give it a name, and then if you enter some information here, every time you have a new line, it will create a checkbox. Then click Add, and you have your to-do list with checkable boxes. That's it for the notes section. As always, do get in touch if you have any feedback or comments, or if you need a hand with anything. In the meantime, happy writing.